Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the December BOXYCHARM Premium Box. I'm also going to be using each product so that you can tell whether it's worth it or not. This is everything in the December Premium Box. I'm going to use each product in order of makeup application. So we're going to be going in with the Elemis Superfood Matcha I Do. Ooh, it's really cooling. For this, I'm just going to put it all over my face. Anything that says that it's just meant for underneath the eyes is kind of a gimmick. This is a really hydrating eye gel. It has matcha, kiwi, honeydew, melon, and prebiotic. It gives you a fresh glow with and without makeup, and it also says that it wakes up underneath the eyes, so it'll help with any kind of depuffing, which I do feel like that worked. I was like super puffy. I'm looking extra haggard today? Haggard. It also absorbs into the skin really quickly. I don't even feel it on my face anymore, but I do feel hydrated. This is $39 for this size here, which is 15 milliliters. A little expensive, but I mean, it really does the job, so I guess it's up to you whether that's expensive. Next up, we have some beauty sponges. So these are the Elaina Badro Luxury Beauty Sponges in a 2-pack. So this pack is $34, which, like I said, comes with 2 sponges. So we have more of a standard beauty sponge here, and then this one is more for precision. These are also latex free, which is really nice. I'm just gonna wet this real quick. This is the sponge damp, which is a really nice size. This pack is $34, which I don't think is bad at all for 2 sponges. And I'm just mixing my foundation. So I'm using the Morphe Filter Effect in medium 9, and I'm going in with, this is the 24-hour guy from Maybelline. What is this shade? Sun Beige. Do you guys pull your nose over too to get into that crease? I haven't seen anyone else do that. I don't know if they just cut it out of their videos. This is a really interesting texture to the sponge. I don't think it goes into that. What does it say? So it says that these luxurious sponge applicators were designed for applying and blending all types of foundations, concealers, and powders to offer a flawless finish. It has a very interesting texture to it. I thought that they were going to touch on that. I wonder if that has anything to do with it being latex free, because it almost feels like a little furry, if that's the right word. It is doing a really nice job though at making this look super airbrushed. And it didn't absorb too much of my foundation. Normally when I use like any kind of beauty blender, I feel like I'm using twice the amount of foundation to cover my face. But this looks really nice. Let me test it out with my concealer too. This one is the Benefit Boing in number 3. This looks really good. I'm surprised because I've been out of like the beauty blender. I keep saying beauty blender, like the beauty, oh my God, I almost said it again. Like the beauty sponge game. Yeah, this looks really nice. I definitely recommend these. I'm also gonna apply my powder with it. Why not? I didn't take into consideration that this is damp. So maybe this wasn't the best idea because it's putting a lot of pigment in certain areas, but I'm just gonna go with it since I already did it. It actually blended out really nicely. I was a little scared. And it makes my face feel like super matte, like it just like locked everything in. Now thinking about it, I feel like this isn't a new concept. I feel like I've seen a lot of people apply their powders with the sponge. I never did it myself. I'm just leaving it on my forehead here because I have a creasy forehead. So I'm gonna have that continue to bake, and then I'm gonna do my contour, so I'm just sharpening up the sides here. But I'm gonna do that off camera real quick, and then we'll be back to use the rest of the products. Okay, so I started applying my contour, and I forgot that one of the products in here is a bronzer. So I wanna see if this is a matte bronzer, because if it is, then I'm just gonna use that as my contour. So this is the Evio Bronze Noisette. Is it bronzy or bronze? No. It has a little asterisk thing over it for E. That means it's just E, right? Bronzy. Oh, this is an interesting way to open it. Okay, so it says that it's a matte bronzer, but I do see a little bit of sparkle in here. I wonder if you guys can see that on camera. Create all over warmth and dimension with our lightweight, long-wearing matte bronzer collection. Add shape and structure, or create a sublime sun-kissed complexion. This is a really nice shade of bronze. It looks natural, doesn't it? Like a sun-kissed look. Normally when they say that on their packaging, like, it looks sun-kissed, it usually looks really orange. Oh, by the way guys, I'm using my brush set with LaRousse. In case you guys don't know, I have a brush set with LaRousse. I'll have it linked in the description for you guys. If you use code Creative, you get a free gift with it. But yeah, I'm using the contour blending brush to blend this in. This color especially would be great for the summer, although I do like a bronzy look all year long. I went a little crazy and just coated my entire nose, but I kind of like it. This guy is $30 by the way, which I don't think is a bad price at all. This is gonna last you forever, and it is such a natural, beautiful shade. While we're here, let's jump into the highlighter. So this is the Glow and Go kit by Kenia Ontiveros. This is really nice. So it has like a slight alligator snakish embossment to the kit. And then look at all these shades. And it looks like we have 2 shades for eyebrows. Let me see. Shine all year round with the Glow and Go kit, designed in a chic, travel-friendly palette, and it's filled with all of Kenia's favorite shades. I'm not sure who Kenia is. It says that this is the only kit that you need for touch-ups on the go, so I'm assuming that that's brow powder. I've never seen a palette that has everything in it. This is really interesting. I like that you have contour shades, you have highlighters, and you can touch up your brows. Like, what the hell? And you can use all of these shades for eyeshadows as well. This might be like the only kit that you need if you're going away somewhere. I'm gonna go in with the shade Empower and see if I can use it as like a contour shade. The only thing that I'm a little confused on here is the highlighting part. So let me see. Oh, never mind. So this is Limitless. Look at that shade. In the palette here, it looks like a dark gold, and I was like, I don't know if I could use that. Oh, that's beautiful. A little bit on the chin. I want to use that brow powder real quick. Oh, wow. It's like the perfect shade. And if you need a shade in between, you can always just mix these shades. So it looks like they included one for if you have lighter hair for like more of a blonde. Then they have a dark brown. This is also a little bit of a warmer brown than what I normally wear. Makes me look a little less bitchy, but I'm obsessed with this palette. How much is this guy? This is $48, which I know it sounds a little pricey, but guys, this has everything in it. Like, what the hell? Look at this again. These are really bad swatches, but I figured I'd swatch the brow shades for you in case you're curious. So yeah, you can see this is more of a warm tone dark brown, but this is more of like a cool tone blonde, which I really like. I'm officially obsessed with this palette. I think $48 is definitely worth it. I just said definitely like 500 times, but literally, there's every single shade that you need in here. I'm gonna do my eyes off camera, and then I'll be back to try the mascara and the lip liners. All right, guys, this is the eye look. Let's get into the mascara. This is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Ooh, this is a cool tube. Still have eyeshadow on my hand. Wow, that did a really good job. You can even see it over the eyeliner. This mascara is $23, which I don't think is that bad for a mascara, especially for a luxury makeup brand like Stila. It says that it's volumizing, long wearing, and drenches every lash with intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the baddest, the baddest sounds cooler. The boldest, blackest lashes ever, with no clumps and no flaking. Which if you layer mascara, you'll know that non-flaking is like nearly impossible, so that's pretty cool. And last but not least, we have lip liners here. These are the Evio Beauty Lip-Spo liner duos. When I first opened this and saw that they were pencils, I got a little nervous that they were gonna be really stiff, but they're actually really creamy. This lighter pink is like my favorite shade. The light pink is Val and the red is Brooke. And this is $24 for the duo. Oh, this is like my perfect lip shade. Take forever doing my lip liner, guys. It looks like shit for like first 5 minutes and then it comes together. After putting it on, I actually like the lip color. It might be cool to like line your entire lip with it if you already have big lips. If you don't, I mean, maybe if your lips are lighter than mine, you would like it. I like it to be slightly darker so that it blends in more and makes that look like my actual lip shape. I'm going to try and mix these. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm just gonna add some gloss. This is the Keep It Full Max. Why is it not focusing? This is by Milani in the shade Little Secret. I love this shade. With lip liner, I like to blend it in and just smudge it a little bit. But yeah, I really like it. I feel like they picked really good shades. I'm gonna do my hair real quick and then I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finished makeup look. I put some lashes on. I loved every single product in this box. The BOXYCHARM Premium for December is amazing. I would say the top products that I really recommend is the bronzer. This is the Viseart one that I tried. My #1 product, I think you guys already know, is the Glow and Go kit. I cannot even believe that they have everything that you need all in one palette. And this is just such cool packaging. But let me know in the comments down below what your favorite product is, and if you guys already got your box, what did you get? Like I said, I'll have my brush kit linked in the description down below. Make sure to use the code CREATIVE for a free gift. I love you guys so much. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And for those of you who are sticking around to the ending, you guys are probably the ones who are watching me all the time. And I just want to say, thank you guys so much for another amazing year. I've really been trying to be consistent. I have like 5 videos that I already filmed. I haven't had the time to be able to edit them to get them up weekly, but I'm really working on it. I know you guys are probably so sick of hearing that, but for the new year, that's like my biggest New Year's resolution for next year. I really just need to pick a day every single week that I need a video to go up and have it be non-negotiable, because it's really not fair to you guys that I'm only posting like 1 video a month. This is just like ridiculous. I know personally I hate that. If there's a YouTuber that I watch all the time, I hate when they take large gaps in between each video. It's just like, I don't know. I lose interest and I almost get annoyed at them. But I hope that you guys know it's not out of laziness. And if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll get daily content over there. It's just really hard balancing multiple platforms, but I really am trying, guys. I hope that you know, and I love you guys so much. Yeah, look forward to a video next week. My ultimate goal is to do 2 videos a week, but I'm trying not to get ahead of myself. Right now I can't even do 1 video a week. I'm like so inconsistent. But anyway, I feel like I'm gonna keep blabbering on. I love you guys so much, and happy holidays, guys.